rival crime lord's brother has just bought a house in the south of the city. We've decided to kidnap him. His house is heavily guarded, but we think it should be possible for you to slip in unnoticed, although you didn't go in all guns blazing in crime. Idiots, one of the guards saw you. Kill him before he sets off the alarm.
Move and I'll blow your head clean off.
Okay, I'll come quietly.
Great. Now, take him to the helicopter on the roof.
Out!
Ah, you idiots! You let the scumball die! Go to the payphones for more missions. There's a stolen taxi parked in the center of the city. Fetch. Ah, idiot! There's a stolen taxi parked in the center of the city. Fetch.
I need your car.
Inside this truck are several remote-controlled cars fitted with explosives. Use them to blow up other cars. If you can get more than 15,000 points in the next minute, I'll give you a few extra points. Oh well, that was pretty dumb. Ah, idiot! Nah, can't you do anything right? There's a stolen taxi parked in the center of the city. Fetch.
Get out!
The boss' wife has been visiting a friend. Go, pick her up. Get back in the car. What the hell? You killed her! Okay, get your lazy arse back to the phones for more missions. Residents of a local apartment block have decided not to pay their protection money. The boss wants to send a message to anyone else thinking of not paying up. I stashed a remote-triggered bomb down a nearby alleyway. Go and pick it up. Okay, now put it down next to the apartment block. You fool! The bomb was too far away and it wasn't enough to take out the apartments. Hey, head back to the phones for more missions. A weasel who fancies himself as a drug lord has got a shipment hidden in a bus to the east of the hotel. Make sure that we remain the only supplier. If you need it, there's a bazooka hidden in the alleyway nearest this phone. Remember that the petrol tank is at the back of the bus. Just to make things interesting, you've only got 75 seconds to do it. Think of it as a test. Inside this truck are several remote-controlled cars fitted with explosives. Use them to blow up other cars. If you can get more than 15,000 points in the next minute, I'll give you a few extra points. Oh well, that was pretty dumb.
Sorry, I need the wheels.
Oh, too slow, idiot. Hey, head back to the phones for more missions. Rival crime lord's brother has just bought a house in the south of the city. We've decided to kidnap him. His house is heavily guarded, but we think it should be possible for you to slip alone. Although you can go in all guns blazing if you like.
Move and I'll blow your head clean off.
Okay, okay, I'll come quietly.
Great. Now, take him to the helicopter on the roof. Now, wait for the kidnappee to get on board. Okay, now, fly him to our helipad to the northeast. Okay, now get out. Land on the damn helipad, you imbecile! Now, fly him to our helipad. Okay, now get out.
Bring him to us.
Ah, you idiot! You let the scumball die! Get back to the phones for some more missions. A friend just found out that I'm banging his wife. Waste him before he tracks me down. Ah, you useless jerk! What on earth am I supposed to do now?